Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video and your daily update on Ethereum. In this video we'll talk about mainly some fundamentals. I mean, obviously we'll dive into the technicals as well, that's necessary, and yesterday we had some, well, I wouldn't say big moves if you compare the moves with the moves we've had over the last couple of weeks. But we did have some important moves, and altogether what you're seeing technically right now is that we're just in this consolidation range between 1780 at the bottom and then at the top around 1835, 1840. And that's what we've been in. We've moved in that range for a week now, or almost a week, but we haven't had that much movement in or out of it. I actually think we can get some sort of a bullish breakout above that, but that's what we'll talk about in this video, and I'll tell you why I expect that. And you can determine for yourself whether you agree or not. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into that, if you want to receive daily trading signals from me, check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you'll find instructions on how to join. And there you'll also find a link to sign up with BYBIT. They're my official partner. I think it's a great exchange, a safe exchange, secure exchange, but also a great exchange to use for trading. So if you want to do that, if you're interested in that, they have a deposit bonus campaign right now. Check it out. But now onto Ethereum. So like I said, I mean, we already discussed the technical situation, I think enough. I could visualize it a little bit more for you. So I think this is the main consolidation range which we're in right now. So in this yellow box, it is confirmed a consolidation because the ADX is relatively low. You can see that we're no longer reacting to the EMAs. So then the big question is well, we're going to get a breakout. Is that going to be a bullish one or a bearish one? And I think it's a bullish one. And the main reason for that is that we actually have to take a look at the dollar strength index for that, which is negatively correlated with Ethereum. And what we've seen there is that ever since last week, Wednesday, that was actually, that started rallying. We started getting a lot of bullish momentum, as you can see, all the way up to yesterday evening, but it's still technically bullish. So usually when we start rallying like this, crypto starts falling. Now, what have we seen in the last week is that crypto has actually stabilized. And we even at times got some bullish momentum when we had these small little retracements. So I actually think that the dollar strength index at some point of time, when all of the talks and all of the news about the US debt ceiling is over, I think we're going to go back down. I mean, in the end, at some point of time, the interest rates are going to be lowered again, which is probably coming in the next 3 months at least, or lowered. They're at least going to be paused, which is bearish for the dollar strength index. And bullish for crypto, also for other reasons. So when that's happening, I actually think that now we're stable while the dollar strength index is going up. I think if it goes down, we can actually become bullish. So that's the main reason why I actually think we can get bullish momentum. Now, I do want to say, as a little side note, I said it with Bitcoin too, is that there are some indications of a little bit of institutional selling as well. So with that, I mean that big players in crypto are selling. I mean, moves like these, for example, that we got yesterday with such a big spike, usually that's a sign of a little bit of a big sell order, or at least a closing of a long position. So usually that's a bad sign, and it's often followed also with some other bearish moves. But still, even though that's happening, I still think we can get that bullish momentum, and I still think that's more likely, and that's the main case I'm making. So then I would expect something like this. All right, just to end the video, I would expect something like going up to 1835, 1840. Finding support at 1810 and then getting up to these levels right here at around 1870 and 1880 at the very least. But that's my take on Ethereum for now. If you do have any questions, as always, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.